Hi, my name is Joe Monroig.
My name is Anthony Walker.
Hi, I'm MLB Patton. I'm graduating from William Patterson, the class of 2023.
The three of us got offered a position at MLB Network, which we're super excited about.
MLB Network wanted to have a recruitment event here at William Patterson. About 50 or so students showed up to get interviewed by these higher-ups at MLB Network.
I'm so excited, so grateful. It's a validating feeling to be where I am so quickly. Before even getting my diploma, I'll be starting working there, and just a great feeling to know that everything I've done has truly paid off.
I'm thankful that I was able to come to the TV club, come to the radio station, take the skills that I learned in the classroom, and then apply them to the TV club, to the radio club.
The best thing this university has given me is really the hands-on activity. I didn't have to wait until being an upperclassman or to get my hands on. Being part of WP Sports Desk here, an award-winning show that I got to be part of. I got to be an award-winning producer as well. That's really given me a chance and why I have a job now at MLB Network.